We have always loved thinking about crazy made-up planets from movies like Star Wars. But what if I told you these actually existed? Today we will be looking at the most interesting and terrifying planets in our solar system. Make sure not to miss number 5 because it is my favorite. Number 1, Hatkey 7b, where it rains rubies and sapphires. Because corundum gems are rubies and sapphires, one can describe the hypothetical weather on the planet's night side as raining rubies and sapphires. The planet also suffers from violent storms, so it's likely that these gems are scattered planet-wide. Number 2, Kepler-78, the lava planet. Kepler-78b is similar to our planet Earth. This exoplanet is in the Cygnus constellation. The strangest thing about it, though, is how close it is to its host star. It is only 550,000 miles away. It is 40 times closer to its star than Mercury is to the Sun, and its temperature is estimated to be around 2030 degrees Celsius. According to Francesco Pepe, one of the astronomers involved with the discovery, the planet may be Earth-sized, but it can be imagined like a lava planet rather than an Earth-like planet. Number 3, DJ504b, the pink planet. This beautiful pink, or should I say magenta, colored exoplanet is the resident of Virgo constellation. Its name is Gliese 504b, and it orbits its star at nearly 9 times the distance Jupiter orbits the Sun. One interesting characteristic of this planet is it's a newly formed planet and is still glowing with heat, which makes the surface appear a shade of magenta. Number 4, Joan 1407b, an exomoon or a Saturn on steroids. Joan 1407b has been referred to as a Saturn on steroids or Super Saturn due to its massive system of circumplanetary rings, about 640 times the one of Saturn's rings. It is an exoplanet located 434 light-years from Earth in the constellation of Centaurus and is the only known exoplanet with rings similar to Saturn. If this planet swapped places with Saturn, its rings would dominate the Earth's sky and would appear many times larger than a full moon. There is a large gap halfway through the ring system, and it's possible that a Mars-sized exomoon orbits the planet within this gap. If there are any aliens living on this exomoon, then they have an extraordinary view looking up into the sky. Number 5, Gliese 436b, planet defying the laws of physics. Gliese 436b is an exoplanet located 30 light-years from Earth in the constellation of Leo and seems to defy the laws of physics. This planet orbits its star at a distance 15 times closer than Mercury is to the Sun, and the icy surface is roasting at a temperature of 439 degrees Celsius. So how does ice of all things remain completely solid at 439 degrees above its melting point? Because the gravity is so incredibly strong that it compresses the trace amounts of water vapor in the planet's atmosphere into solid ice and prevents it from melting, no matter how much it burns. Number 6, GJ1214b, the water world. It is the most likely known candidate for being an ocean planet. GJ1214b has no land, but only oceans that stretch all over the surface. If it is a water world, it could possibly be thought of as a bigger and hotter version of Jupiter's Galilean moon Europa. Number 7, 55 Cancri e, a diamond planet. 55 Cancri e is only about 40 light-years away from us in the Cancer constellation. It is twice the size of Earth but is nearly 8 times more massive and twice as dense. The parent star has much more carbon than our own Sun, and the mass of the planet is thought to be largely carbon. Due to the pressure and average maximum surface temperature of 4,417 degrees Fahrenheit, this super-Earth is believed to be covered with diamonds. It is so close to its parent star it takes a mere 18 hours for the planet to complete a full orbit. Thanks so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to watch even crazier videos.